In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll understand how to move from a blank screen to a clear, repeatable flow that reaches the right people at the right moment. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click Automations. This is your home base for setting up any automated journey. Here, you can choose to create from scratch or start with a flow template. If you already have a very specific goal and know each step you want, building from scratch gives you full control. If you're newer to automations or want a proven structure, pick a template that matches your objective. You can customize every part later, so don't worry about locking yourself in. After you create the automation or select a template, you'll land in the flow editor. Think of this as a canvas where your sequence lives. You'll see a starting point, connected actions, and options along the left pane to expand your journey. Before you do anything else, edit the trigger. The trigger defines when and how the automation starts, like when someone joins a list, clicks a link, or meets a condition you care about. Set the timing carefully. If you want instant follow-up, choose immediate. If a short delay would feel more natural, adjust it here. Clear triggers keep people from receiving messages too soon or too often. Next, configure the action or actions you want to apply. Actions can send an email, wait for a period of time, or update a contact's information, among other possibilities. Match the action to your goal. For example, a warm welcome email after sign-up builds trust, while a brief wait before a reminder can improve engagement. Keep your messaging focused and make sure any timing in your actions aligns with the trigger you just set. As you shape the journey, use the left pane to add more rules and actions. Rules help you fine-tune who continues through the flow based on behavior or audience details, and actions let you expand the sequence in a logical order. Add only what supports your objective, and name each step clearly so it's easy to maintain later. Before you wrap, scan the entire flow from start to finish. Read the trigger, then follow each action in order and imagine the subscriber's experience. Check that the delays feel natural, the content follows a single narrative, and the rules don't accidentally exclude people you want to reach. Small adjustments here can dramatically improve results. That's all there is to it. You clicked Automations, chose Scratch or a template, refined your trigger, set your actions, and use the left pane to add rules and build out the flow. With a clean structure and thoughtful timing, your Mailchimp automation will do the heavy lifting for you.